Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can go about accessing safe mode, one of three different ways. Safe mode for Windows operating systems is one of those things that you're going to have to be able to use as a PC tech, IT support specialist, or just a normal user. It is one of those things that can get you out of so many different problem areas, such as installing a bad driver, or you can't get to a desktop. You just got to get to the desktop just so you can fix something, but you have a corrupted driver. There are all kinds of different reasons why you may want to get into the safe mode up inside of your Windows operating system. So we're going to look at three different ways that we can make this happen. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is to go down here to your search bar, and in the search bar you just type in msconfig. This is going to start the system configuration utility. Just go ahead and hit enter. Now here you can click on the boot tab, and down here at the lower left corner you have this option for safe mode. Now this will allow you to get up into safe mode and uninstall a driver, fix something that can't be fixed normally. Now for Active Directory repair, that's for domain controllers. You don't have to worry about that. Now if you want to get to the network, that is to say the internet, in safe mode, perhaps to download the correct driver or to fix something that you need internet access for, well then you can select the option for network. But most of the time we're going to use just safe mode. Now what does safe mode do? Safe mode takes all of your drivers and it uninstalls every driver in the system and it replaces it with the Windows default driver. This is just enough drivers and just enough configuration to boot the machine to a desktop. Your view or your screen resolution is going to be skewed, and you're not going to be able to do a whole lot but move the mouse and navigate, but it's going to be a little difficult because your default video driver is now replaced with the Microsoft default driver, and that's just enough to get you some kind of screen resolution. So that's the benefit. In my previous life as a Microsoft Help Desk support specialist, I have solved more than one problem and rebooting the machine up in safe mode with just the default window drivers, and then just starting the machine over fresh, allowing the machine to bring back in the drivers one line at a time. Don't ask me why, but sometimes that can fix some buggy issues in the Windows operating system. Now you have to remember that if you're going to use this method to access safe mode, that you are going to be in safe mode permanently until you come back up inside of the msconfig and uncheck this box. The second way that we can access safe mode on our Windows operating system is to hold down the Windows key and on the keyboard press I. From here we go to Update and Security, and from here we're going to go into Recovery. From here we're going to go into the Advanced Startup, and from here we're going to go into Troubleshoot. From here we're going to go into the Advanced Options, and from here we're going to select Startup Settings. We're going to go ahead and restart. When the machine comes back up, we'll choose the option for safe mode. And once the machine brings up the startup settings, the default location for safe mode is number 4. Now you can choose Enable Safe Mode with Networking, that's option number 5. And if you would like to have just a command prompt in safe mode, that would be option number 6. Now to restart your machine normally, from this window, all you have to do is just press enter. We'll go ahead and press enter to come back to the desktop, and I'll show you the third method for restarting your machine into safe mode. Okay, so we're back to the desktop, and now I'm going to show you my third and final method for getting the machine into safe mode. Now to do this, you're going to hold down the Shift key, and you're going to click on the Start button. From here, you're going to find the Power button, and you're going to click Restart. Again, the machine is going to restart in the recovery mode. From here, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Again, you're going to click on Advanced Options. And again, you're going to click on Startup Settings. And once more, click on Restart. And when the machine does restart, you will be presented with the Advanced Startup menu. And this is where you can select your version of Safe Mode. Now that we've seen the different ways that we can get into Safe Mode, let's go ahead and start this machine into Safe Mode and get a feel for what it looks like. To do this, I'm just going to click the number 4 on my keyboard, and the machine will now start into Safe Mode. And so I've restarted the machine into Safe Mode, and down here in the lower right corner you're going to see the indicator that you are in Safe Mode. And so unless you have used the MS-Config utility to come out of Safe Mode, all you have to do is a normal restart. So to come out of Safe Mode, I'm going to go ahead and click on my Start button, click on the Power button, and I'm going to do a restart. And so having multiple ways to get a user into Safe Mode is a good thing. Not all users are going to be able to understand your directions, so you're going to need multiple options, and hopefully they're going to understand at least one of those methods to get them into Safe Mode. And so in this short video presentation, we got to see 3 different ways that we can put our machine into Safe Mode. Got questions, you got concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and thank you for watching.